So she ordered this butter red slime, but it's not really butter slime. It's just Play-Doh with lotion in it. And then this one, she ordered a pink butter slime. That's not even butter slime. It's not even pink. It's just Play-Doh. She ordered orange crunchy slime. This is not crunchy, just Play-Doh. Do you really think she's gonna get my good stuff? I'm a scammer, so no. And then right here is her blue regular slime. Really think it's blue regular slime? It's Play-Doh. Then the next thing we have is her green regular slime. And you really think this is slime? Nope. Play-Doh. Everything she's gonna get is Play-Doh except one thing. She ordered, she actually did order, hold on, I have sticky slime on this. But she actually did order, regular slime, but with cloud cream and butter slime. But actually, this is sequence and not even butter slime or cloud. So, then the next slime she wanted was non-sticky green slime. This is the stickiest thing I've ever touched, and yes, this is the stickiest thing I ever touched. I'm just going to set it right here because that's where it was in the first place. And I'm just going to give her an extra of this old slime is drippy, and this old slime, and this old slime. Half of that is only Flarp. So, let her figure out which is which. Let's send that to her. I'll put you guys in there too. Oh, I found the guy here. Here's my slime package that I just got. I'm gonna let you guys see it. This is what I just got. I'm gonna be playing with it, but I'm only gonna be playing with a certain slime.